Good morning, students. Welcome to the another class of magnetic effects of electric current. So, in my previous class, we had discussed about the magnetic field and magnetic field lines. Today, we will discuss about the magnetic field line due to a current carrying conductor. So, if we have a current carrying conductor, so what will be the direction of the magnetic field lines? Today, we will discuss about it. So if we have a magnetic compass, if we will place a magnetic compass near a conductor carrying current, the needle is deflected. We all know that the needle will deflect. I had discussed little bit about that in previous class also. So the direction of that compass needle will show the direction of the magnetic field. So if we have a current carrying conductor, so the direction of the current, according to the direction of the current, we will find the direction of the magnetic field. If the deflection of the current is from north pole to south pole, the direction of the magnetic field is towards the east. So you have to learn it that if the direction is toward north to south, you can see here in this figure also, if the direction of current is towards north to south, then it deflects towards the east, and if it towards south to north, then it will deflect towards the west. For learning it, we have a easy method. I will show you what is that method. Look at here in the second figure, if the direction is towards south to north, then it deflects towards the west. So we will learn it with the help of word snow. That is also known as snow rule, SNOW. It's easy to learn snow word. So snow means if the direction of current is south to north, then it deflects towards the west. So for the we will learn till here only the direction of the current is south to north, so it will deflect towards the west. SNOW. Now for the other one, north to south, we will reciprocate it. If the direction of current is south to north, then the deflection is towards the west. So similarly, if the direction of current is from north to south, so direction will be towards the east. So by this method we can easily detect the direction of the magnetic field. Look at here. So what is the procedure here? The magnetic field lines around a current carrying straight conductor is in where we can easily see in the figure that these field lines are concentric circles. Concentric circles. It can be observed by passing a current carrying straight conductor through a cardboard and sprinkle iron fillings on it. That as we had discussed in the previous class, similarly we can do it here. Now we can also find the direction with the help of right hand thumb rule. Right hand thumb rule, that can be what you have to do. You have to raise up your hands, and what you have to do, you have to, the direction of the magnetic field around a conductor is given by it. So what is the procedure? If we have a current carrying conductor held in our right hand, if we will take a current carrying conductor in our right hand in such that the thumb points the direction of the current. Thumb if shows us the direction of the current, then our finger which are wrapped around the conductor shows the direction of the magnetic field. Okay, if we hold a straight conductor, then if thumb shows the direction of the current, then our wrapped finger shows the direction of the magnetic field. This is known as right hand thumb rule. Clear? So for today we will discuss till here only. and in my next class we will discuss more about the how the magnetic field due to a circular loop and other things. So for today we will have till here only. Thank you. God bless all of you.